welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new kitchen. Hey, so I know I've been away for a little while, and that's because I recently purchased a new home, so it kind of kept me away for a little bit, you know, purchasing a home, work, being a mom, being a wife. I was just overwhelmed. But anyways, nevertheless, I'm back with another video and I'm excited. So in today's video, we're going to cook smoked turkey necks and potatoes. Let me tell you, I was so excited in shooting this video. Throughout the video, I constantly said neck bones, but we are cooking turkey necks. So I do apologize about that, but nevertheless, the video must go on. Anywho, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So what I have here are my smoked turkey necks. You can see. I'll put a label for you. Yeah. And I just picked up 2 packs of these from my local Walmart here. And I got these, they call it the little potatoes. I got those that I'm gonna cook with them. You can get these or you can get just the regular potatoes, but I like these. This is the garlic parsley ones. Like, they're really good. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna move my stove cover, and we are about to cook. I'm excited, y'all. So I have just washed our smoked turkey necks, and I am going to put them in this pot because it's so many of them. And I am going to put water in here, and I want to at least cover the neck bone. So we'll be back. Okay, so I have washed them, placed them in a pot, covered them with water. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I have no measurements for this. You just go off how much you think is enough for you. Onion powder. And red pepper. Now be mindful with the red pepper. The more red pepper, the hotter it can be. So just be mindful. I'm not adding any salt because they are smoked and I don't know how salty they are. So I'm not going to add salt quite yet. Maybe closer to when it gets done, but not now. But I am going to turn my eye on high, and I want these to come to a boil. A good boil. So with these, we're gonna have to boil these. I'm gonna boil them, and when I come back, I will let you guys know. I'm gonna time them, and I'm gonna let you guys know how long I boil them for. Okay guys, our turkey necks has boiled for 1 hour. 1 hour. Let's see, can we get a close look up at one of them? Let me zoom in for you guys. So this is what they look like. They are cooking really good. Yeah, So I'm gonna give them about another 30, no, I said about another 30 minutes before I add the potatoes to the pot. So we're just gonna continue to allow them, we're just going to continue to let them boil, and I'll be back. Our turkey necks, our smoked turkey necks have boiled for an hour and 30 minutes. And now I'm going to add our potatoes. So you want to take this little season pack out, and just potatoes. And I'm just going to toss them right over in there. And I am going to allow them to boil along with the smoked turkey necks for another 45 minutes to an hour. Really enough just to get the potatoes done, because the neck bones is like done if you like them like this, but I like mine tender, like fall into pieces almost, so I'll cook mine a little bit longer. But I'm just gonna place the top on it, and I am going to allow it to finish cooking. Turkey necks and potatoes are done. Yay! So my potatoes, they cook for 38 minutes, and they are completely done. I'm just turn this off. Let me get one for you. See that fork go right through them? Oh, sorry guys. Get you another one. Fork go right through them. So they are done. Our turkey necks, as you can see, I want to show you guys if I can pick it up the right way. I have cooked them. They are nice and tender. You see that good juicy meat. The skin has pulled back, so it's not rubbery and still tough. So they have cooked. So they cooked for a total of an hour and 36 minutes. But you know, the last 36 minutes, that's when I threw the potatoes in. And as you can see, they are done. Look at this meat. That's good eating. That's good eating. So now at this point, you're basically done. You're just going to turn your eye off. Take the neck bones out of the water. And you can keep some of the water for juice. In case you don't eat them all, you can put them in the refrigerator and rewarm them. They won't be as dry. Take the potatoes out and eat and enjoy. I remove our smoked turkey necks from the water and our potatoes. At this point, if you want to add, if you get the potatoes that I've gotten, if you want to add, oh, I dropped them. If you want to add your season to it, you can. You can put a little butter on them and just sprinkle the season on top and serve. Eat and enjoy. So that's all you do if you do want to use that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my smoked turkey necks and potatoes. This is a really quick, easy, and simple recipe. You put it in the pot, put water in the pot, and you boil it. Don't get no simpler than that. So anyways, with no further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I know I definitely enjoyed shooting my first video in my new home. And I'm definitely going to enjoy this good meal in my new home. And you guys stay tuned, because I have more videos coming in and out of the kitchen, and I'm super excited. So you do not want to miss an upload. So with that being said, you make sure you go and subscribe. You make sure your bell is on. That way you will not miss an upload. You will get notified. And I love you guys. Until the next time, into the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.